Good morning students. Today we are going to study the experiment which is performance of a wind turbine. So we are going to perform the practical. So you can see this is a table fan, okay, normal table fan. So it will act as a natural wind which we are going to utilize for conduction of the experiment. So this natural wind is going to drive the turbine that we have studied in the last experiment, okay. This is a horizontal axis wind turbine. This is the rotor of the turbine. Here motor and all assembly is placed. This is a wind tower. Okay. So natural wind will drive the wind turbine. Okay. Now we are interested to measure the output power which we are getting from the turbine. So this is a cable. Okay. Which will give us the output of a turbine. So let us make the connections. Just one sec. I'll explain you the kit first and then we will make the connections. So as you can see, this is a wind turbine. So the two terminals positive and negative are brought here. This is positive terminal and this is negative terminal. Now this point is same as that of this point as it is connected internally. This is also same. So for measurement purpose, we can utilize these two terminals and input to the kit or output from the turbine, we are connecting it to the here. So let us connect the positive and negative terminal of the turbine. So here I have connected positive and negative terminal of the turbine. Okay. Now at the output, we will measure the voltage and current and we will utilize this potentiometer as a load. This is a milliammeter which we are going to utilize. So range of the milliammeter, you can see here it is up to 500 milliampere. This is a voltmeter which we are going to utilize. So the range is 10 volt. Okay, these are the two terminals, positive, negative. So see here I have connected positive terminal to the ammeter as we are connecting ammeter in series with. So ammeter second terminal I will connect to the load one of the terminal. So ammeter and load I am going to put it in series with. Okay, so I have connected it to the load and load second terminal will go back to the negative terminal. Okay, so here we have connected the ammeter. Let us connect the voltmeter across the wind turbine terminals which will directly give us the reading of voltage that has been appeared across the wind turbine. Now as per the procedure, what we are going to do is we will place the turbine in a natural wind. So natural wind means our table fan we will make it on. So I made the table fan on. Now it will give drive to the turbine. So turbine has started rotating. Now we can observe the voltage. So presently I have made the load 0. So our ammeter is giving us 0 reading, but voltmeter is giving us the reading. So in your blank observation table, all of you put it in your logbook. Okay, your first column is serial number, second column is voltage, third column is current, and last column is power. So in power you have to take the product of voltage and current as these are the DC values. So your first reading you can take down. Load is 0. Okay, and voltage is 3.2 volt. Now see here I am going to vary the load. So let us have the next reading by varying the load. So I will try to increase the current. So voltage will decrease. So I will increase the current. Okay, so here 10 lines are there in between 0 to 100. So current is 10 milliampere. Voltage is 2.9. Okay, let us have second reading with 20 milliampere. So see, reading is 20 milliampere and the voltage is 2.4 volt. Let us have the next reading at 30 milliampere. So it is 40. Okay, 30 milliampere. See 30 milliampere. Voltage is 2.2. Now let us make it 40 milliampere. Next reading 40 milliampere. Voltage is 2 volt. Have a next reading 50 milliampere. Reading is 1.7. Next reading 60 milliampere load current. Voltage is 1.4, 1.5. 100 milliampere. Next reading. Voltage is 0.5 volt. Okay, so this is the last reading. You can find out the power. Okay, and we will find out the efficiency. Thank you.